Greetings, Tusky Valley family. This is Mr. Murphy, and I'm honored today to give you a glimpse of a typical elementary classroom in the renovated space of what was our middle school here at Tusky Valley. The room I'm standing in is designated to be a third grade classroom starting for the 24-25 school year. This classroom kind of represents what most of our classrooms will look like for grades 2 through 6 starting next school year. So I'm going to spin back around here and just give you the full view of all of the cabinetry. Lots of upper cabinets, lower cabinets, countertop, and then a vertical storage cabinet and wardrobe there for our teacher. I'm going to give you above ceiling look. You can see a lot of the ceiling, well, the ceiling grid is in and ceiling tiles being put in. And they're finishing some of the above ceiling work. But what I love to see here is all of the HVAC systems. So you may recall that this building did not have air conditioning, except for a few, well, the office had air conditioning and maybe a couple individual classrooms with a window unit, as well as the former library. You're also going to see fire suppression systems. So this entire building now has a fire suppression system in it. Previously, the middle school had just a very limited area of the building that had fire suppression. The lights are in, the speaker system is in, of course, sensors related to the HVAC system. Sound system is also in the room. So things are really coming along. The other thing I love about the renovated space is what used to be a univent for heating and just air circulation somewhat. That has been removed, and now we've got a 2-shelf unit here in the center of existing. We repurposed and reused existing shelving, so that remained. Inserted new shelving here, and then this will be complete with one solid surface countertop all the way across. We've got a brand new window replacement across the entire building. You'll notice that if you think about our old middle school, the middle school had black window trim, and it was a lot of it. So here we've got more light coming in into our classroom. Each of our classrooms has one accent wall, so you'll see a variety of elementary colors, like a light blue here. There's a light green throughout the building, and just kind of put in various classrooms, just mix that up throughout the building. The tile flooring has been replaced. The flooring has been re-leveled, and new VCT tile put down. And of course, now we've got not carpet protection, but VCT tile protection on here. There's whiteboard and tack board, and the teaching wall will have a clever touch in the center here, along with 2 whiteboards that are magnetic. So that just gives you a quick glimpse of a typical elementary classroom in the 2nd through 6th grade wing. If we step out into the hallway just very briefly, if you look real closely, you can see across to the new middle high school. And this is where, in the main corridors, is where you're going to see a lot of the Tusky Valley Trojan colors. Very similar format between this building and the new 7th grade through 12th grade middle high school. So you'll see that theme carried throughout this entire building, but where we tailored a bit was in our individual classrooms. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's your update for today. Best wishes, everybody. Happy spring, and go Trojans.